The retail and grocery sectors are moving away from single-use plastics, creating a massive, immediate demand for durable, reusable alternatives. For most businesses, the challenge is finding a manufacturer that can provide ethical, sustainable production at a high volume without sacrificing the ability to customize. Tote Factory operates a specialized manufacturing unit designed to handle the entire production lifecycle in one place. To create an effective brand asset, you have to move past generic, off-the-shelf options and follow a step-by-step engineering process tailored to your specific needs. Every order begins with the raw material, eco-friendly, sustainable, organic cotton. On the factory floor, rows of industrial looms manage the first stage of the process at scale. These automated mechanisms weave raw yarn into the highly durable canvas required for heavy-use bag manufacturing. The density and structural integrity of that canvas is measured in GSM, or grams per square meter. It's the metric used to determine fabric density. A standard 180 GSM cotton tote is lightweight and flexible, making it a common choice for everyday grocery or retail use. In contrast, a 600 GSM heavy-duty canvas is thick and rigid, so the bag maintains its form even when it is completely empty. Choosing the right fabric density at the start determines how long the product will last and what industry it can serve. Once the canvas is woven, the next step is defining the physical architecture and functionality of the bag. This can include specialized inner pockets designed to organize and protect specific retail items. Closure styles are also engineered for specific use cases, like these drawstring pouches designed for hospitality or footwear packaging. For heavier loads, we produce multi-compartment architectures, like these 6 bottle carriers designed for safe wine bottle transport. To build these designs, factory operators use industrial cutting machines to slice through stacked layers of canvas, following precise paper patterns. Precision cutting is what transforms a flat roll of canvas into a 3-dimensional tool engineered for a specific task. The cut panels are bundled and moved to the stitching floor for final assembly. Operators manually assemble complex features at their stations, including side gussets and reinforced handles designed to bear heavy loads. This expansive, organized workflow is evidence of our commitment to ethical manufacturing and skilled human labor. Despite the industrial scale of the facility, the final structural integrity of every product depends on this level of individual human skill. The final stage of the process is applying your unique branding and visual identity. Our digital printing units use wide format technology to apply complex, multicolored, and photorealistic artwork with precision. For bold logos and sharp graphical elements, we use traditional screen printing to achieve high-contrast, opaque results. We also employ advanced color processing techniques that allow for complete chromatic customization across our entire product line. Advanced printing and precise dyeing create a bespoke, high-visibility asset for your brand. The manufacturing journey isn't finished until every custom bag undergoes a final quality assurance check. Every individual piece is inspected for stitch integrity, print clarity, and overall finish before it is cleared for packing. These internal protocols ensure that we maintain compliance with global quality and environmental certifications. Rigid inspection is the only way to ensure that massive production volume never compromises the quality of an individual unit. The final logistical pillar of the process is reliable, on-time delivery to our global clients. From raw materials to custom engineering, we provide a seamless end-to-end manufacturing solution. This customized approach results in a massive diversity of final products, each built to a specific retail or promotional requirement. Tote Factory delivers a reliable, sustainable, and entirely customized way to scale your brand's physical presence. Contact Tote Factory to begin engineering your own custom order today.